Rivalries come in all sizes. In Division III, they come today. Often the last game of the season, it's the first game they circle. It's the Wabash Little Giants and the DePauw Tigers battling for the Monon Bell at Blackstock Stadium in the best football game in the state of Indiana. Or maybe that's the Franklin Grizzlies and the Hanover Panthers vying for the Victory Bell in a series that started when William McKinley was president. That was 1898. It's the Hampden-Sydney Tigers and the Randolph-Macon Yellow Jackets. In Virginia, they just call it the game. It's Case Western Spartans against the Carnegie Mellon Tartans. They play for bragging rights, not IQ scores, even though they call the game the Academic Bowl. They're bitter and beloved, annual grudge and furious reunion. Like Knox and Monmouth for the Bronze Turkey. Like Union and RPI for the Dutchman's shoes. Like SUNY Cortland and Ithaca College for the Cortica jug. It isn't divisional, it's divisive. It's rivalry. And any size fits all.